Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Derek of the Pressure Washers. What we're going to be doing today is talking to you about the clear bowl filter assemblies that we carry. You'll notice that we carry 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, as well as 1 inch. If you're in need of the 1 inch, go ahead and check out our other video because that one is described separately. As far as the 1/2 inch and the 3/4, the main reason that we're going to examine these in the same video is several of the parts are interchangeable. For now, let's look at and identify the three parts. We have our body, we have our bowl, as well as our stainless steel mesh strainer. This body itself is what's going to be inconsistent between the two parts. You'll notice that the 1/2 inch thread in and 1/2 inch thread out is going to be on one body, whereas our 3/4 inch is of course going to have 3/4 in and 3/4 out. Aside from that, the other components are interchangeable. This bowl on ours is going to be the same between both sizes. That O-ring is going to be the same on both sizes, and the stainless steel mesh screen is going to be the same on both sizes. This means that if you have multiple applications or higher flow machines, as long as your body is intact, you can purchase either one and basically make sure that you're back up and running as smooth as possible. In order to clean this screen, because it is clear and you can identify when it's clogged a little bit sooner than later, all you have to do is take this, rub it around with some Dawn dishwashing soap, let it sit for a second, run it under some warm water, and that screen should clean itself out. You'll notice that unlike our Y-strainer assemblies, this does not have any kind of protective cage. So when you go to reinstall this, you basically want to take this circle, seat that stainless steel screen, and then take our bowl filter and go ahead and reinstall. What you're looking for around this bottom is to make sure that it's seated correctly. I'll go ahead and take a closer look at this bowl. If we look through here, there's basically a dimple that's in there, and that mesh screen should go right over top of it and seat itself perfectly fine. I'll give you an example of what it looks like when it's not. If we just go ahead and crush this, you want to be careful that your filter does not end up like this. If it does this, it has absolutely no filtering capacity and it doesn't do you any good. This is Old Man Wags. I'd love to hear feedback in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's kill some dirt.